Yeah, yeah. Okay. So edge detection is basically, so whenever you are working on an object detection algorithm, face detection algorithm, so you need to focus, you need to extract the edge from the image, right? So how will you do that? So that's the so we have a very famous technique, algorithm in our OpenCV, which is called as a Kenny edge detection. It is one of the popular edge detection algorithm available in OpenCV. It works with the stages. First, we reduces the noise. Second, we calculated the intensity gradient of the image. Third, we use a non-max suppression, and fourth, we will use a hysteresis thresholding. So what is basically do? So noise reduction, we use the Gaussian blurring, and then the noise reduction is basically this image is then processed with a Sobel filter. Guys, remember this term. This is often asked in an interview. What is Sobel filter? So Sobel filter is basically a filter uh, which is used to detect an edge on an image. So how it will do it? It is basically based on the gradient of each pixel. So we calculated the gradient, and as per the gradients, we get the edges. So the Sobel okay. Now we will move to a non-max suppression. Non-max suppression is used to suppress the unwanted pixel which do not have contribution to edges. This is very clear from the um, definition. And now we have a hysteresis thresholding. In this stage, we will classify which are our edge, which are our non-edge by giving the threshold. Okay. So we will see. This is the function. Kenny we have. And there are 4 parameters. You need to give the input image. You need sigma to determine the amount of Gaussian smoothing you want. First, you will give minimum thresholding and maximum thresholding. The higher the threshold, the cleaner are the edges. Okay, that's the point to remember. So this is how you can implement it. Basically, a one line code cv.kenny. This Kenny will implement all the 4 things uh, in a single shot for you. So this is the image, and this is how an image looks like after a Kenny edge detection. We use a lower threshold of 100 and 200. If we increase the threshold, here you can see we are if we increase the threshold, then we are easily get rid of these lower frequency edges, and it can more focus on our foreground. But it is not good, guys. You can see after applying a edge detection, Kenny, the best algorithm we have in our OpenCV, but after this, the image is not looking good because there's a lot of background edges. We don't want this in a our image. So what we will do? We will try to improve our Kenny edge detection. So what we will use? We will use bilateral filtering. I already specified you guys that bilateral filtering is used when you want to reduces the noise, the background noise, and you wanted to preserve the edge in an image. So this is we apply a bilateral filter, and then we will apply a Kenny. So this is the input image, and this is the Kenny edge detection after bilateral filtering. You can see here we reduces the background noise by a lot. Simarjeet Kaur, do you have any doubt? Okay, Simarjeet, please do not annotate on the screen because it is bothering me. Okay. Okay, so this is the Kenny edge detection without the bilateral filtering. Here you can see this looks far better than this. Okay, so this is the effectiveness of the bilateral filtering. Now moving